US crude WTI opened on a positive note this week, and you can see it has already gone close to $76 levels. At the same time, interestingly, NG has given a gap down and it has achieved close to $6 levels and trying to bounce back. So now what to expect? Are they going to remain bullish or bearish? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we'll look into US crude WTI followed with natural gas. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and just stick to the levels. If it's a buy level, you should buy. If it's a sell level, you should sell. Take your positions accordingly, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the daily analysis and the latest updates. Let's start. First, we'll look into US crude WTI and let's have a beginning with the hourly charts first. On the hourly chart, now see on the hourly charts, if you look at the near long term charts, you can find out that it was trading in this bearish channel. This tried to come out. This is a retracement, and you can see multiple candles getting rejected from 76.2 and 76.5 zone. Now this zone is very important for oil, and only if first it trades beyond 76.2 and then the next 76.5, yes, you can expect that little more bullishness to be seen. Only if crude oil trades beyond this zone, you can consider this as bullish. Else, what should be this considered as? See, after consolidating here, this is a retracement, and now if it breaks past 74.5, there is a possibility that it may try to come back to 74, and below 74 again bearishness to be seen. Let's have a further detailed look. See, directional movement here is bullish. The stochastic is overbought and now looking downwards. The MACD has seen the highs here. It is divergent so far. It is trying to converge. If it crosses over, it may again enter into the bearish zone. But look at this. This crossover is happening at the lows. Possibility for it to sustain the bullish momentum exists here. The RSI again looking downwards on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts here. On the 2-hour charts, first thing is, now look at the 2-hour charts here. After multiple green candles, still it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. At the same time, look at the highs there. See, if you connect the dots here, definitely you will find that these 3 candles are connected, and yes, the higher lows and moderately higher highs indicating that this has to give a breakout. And what should be considered a breakout? Once you see it trading above 76.2, which is definitely a good resistance level, you can still expect that it may get a little resistance at 76.5 and 77. Beyond that, certainly we can expect another round of good ride, which might take it till towards 78. At the same time, once it draws below 74.5, you can certainly expect 74 as the next support, and below that you can expect a good drop. So just to conclude, it appears 74.5 and 76.2 should be a no trade zone. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is willing to cross over for a buy position right now. RSI is looking downwards, showing little weakness there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, very clear, showing the reversal here. It is trying to retrace, but look at this. There is a stronger resistance there at 76.2 levels, 76 levels, which you should wait for it to break past by. Once it trades above this zone, certainly you can expect little more bullish momentum till the time it trades below 76.2. At the same time, on the downside, you can see 74 levels are definitely a very good support level, and hence, yes, you can sell at 74.5 itself, but you have to trade with caution till 74 and 73.5. Stochastic here to looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI trying to look downwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, see more specifically, if you just connect the dots here. So on the 4-hour charts, you can find out taking the support here at 70, it has seen a rise, retracement, now again looking upwards. So what could be the next high if it continues to trade in this fashion? $80 levels appears achievable. At the same time, once it drops below 73, it is again going to bring more bears there, and then 72, 70 levels certainly are going to be the next target. So for this week also, you have to wait for it to break past 73, which will call for the bears. The directional movement on the 4-hour charts is also divergent and bullish. The stochastic has seen the bottom, now trying to look upwards. The MACD is trying to converge here. RSI is looking upwards, showing little strength. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, if you look at the behavior of oil, see this was the bearish channel, retracement, double top, now trying to create another channel here. And if you look at the highs there, see it is trying to trade within this bearish or downward trending channel. Now look at the last few candles you can find. See, this candle is trying to break out, and once it trades above this zone at 76.5, you can expect that the next target is 77.2 and 78, and beyond 78 we can see very strong bullish move which might take it for $80 levels. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is overbought, near to overbought levels, now trying to look downwards. The MACD is green, it is trading with little divergence. RSI is trying to look upwards, and hence for the day only sell entry I will recommend is below 74.5, and then the target is 74, 73.5. On in between there is a support at 73.8 also, but then 73.5 is going to be the next target, and only if oil breaks below 73 you can expect that the next target is 72, and below that you can, if it breaks below 72, certainly you can expect that it is going to crash heavily, and then 70 and 68 levels to be seen. If not today, possibly within this week we may see it achieving those levels. On the upside, trading beyond 76.2 you can expect 76.5, 77.2, and then beyond that possibly we may see 78, and beyond 78, 79.2 and 80 to be seen. Beyond 80 it is going to fly high, so take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 74.5 and 76.2 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, it appears trading NG is very easy these days. See, last week it has given a gap up, and throughout the week it traded bearish. Now it has given a gap down. So what does this mean? That it can continue to trade bullish and try to fill the gap? Let's have a detailed look here. Now see, this opened outside the Bollinger Bands, got the pullback here. Yes, if you see it trading above 6.14, you can buy. This is also pivot, and that should be also a good indication that beyond 6.14, 6.2 appears achievable, 6.24 and then 6.3. Only and only if NG trades beyond 6.3, 6.4 zone, you should consider that as bullish. Only if it trades beyond 6.3, 6.4 zone, you should consider this as bullish. I am repeating it again. You have to note down that. Now look, extremely divergent and bearish, it may converge, and hence bullish candles can be seen. Stochastic is oversold, and hence a rise can be expected. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish, probably from here it may try to converge. The RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, after showing a reversal here, it has tried to retrace a bit and again gave a gap down opening. Now possibility exists that the next candle might take it for 6.14 levels, and beyond that it can further try to rise for 6.2, 6.3 levels. Now 6.3 definitely a good resistance, and 6.4 the next resistance. It has to come out of this zone for it to trade bullish. Till the time it trades below 6.3, 6.4, the bullish momentum may try to, you can say there is a possibility that it can again reverse. Directional movement divergent bearish, it can converge from here. Stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish, from here it probably might converge. The RSI is trading near to the oversold zone. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, the picture is almost same here. On the 3-hour chart, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands and possibly may get a pullback, and trading above definitely 6.14, 6.15. You can expect 6.2, 6.3 zone, which is good resistance. 6.4 the next stronger resistance. Only sell entry today I will recommend is below now 5.98 levels, which are the opening level. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish on the 3-hour chart. The RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now look at the 4-hour chart. The previous trading behavior was this channel, and it has precisely achieved the bottom of this channel and now trying to trade with a rise. So can we expect that the bearishness is done and it can revert from here? Yes. And till 6.5 there are stronger resistance, and then the next milestone is 6.6, 6.8. Only beyond these zones you can consider NG as bullish. At the same time, on the downside there is a very strong support at this zone, that is 5.7. So first thing is very clear that only and only if you see it trading below 5.98 today, you can sell for 5.92, 5.84, 5.8, and then below that further bearishness. Till the time it trades above 5.98, Do not sell NG. On the upside, you can buy at 6.14, and yes, beyond 6.14 you can expect 6.2, 6.24 and then 6.3 as the next target. Beyond 6.3 more bullishness can be expected. Similar observation we have from the daily charts also. On the daily charts, now see, it has given a gap. It is trying to you can see it is already trying to move up a little with the support at 6. Certainly beyond 6.3, 6.4 zone, yes, this is the level beyond which only you can consider this as bullish. Also, let's have a look at the weekly candle here. On the weekly candle, now see this, lower highs, lower lows. Once it trades below 6, you can expect that the next target is going to be towards 5.7, 5.5 and then 5.3 and 5 levels should be seen in this week itself. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Sell at 5.98, buy at 6.14. Trade accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.